Hey everyone, today we are talking about compassion, what it really means, and how we can practice it every day. We'll also discuss why it's important to be passionate to both our environment and each other. By working together, we can make the world a kinder place. What is compassion? Compassion goes to beyond just feeling sorry for just someone. It's about wanting to help when someone is struggling. And its core passion means understanding their problems and wanting to make things better through real action. Understanding passion is not just about not noticing someone's problem. It's about talking, talking step to help. It combines sympathy with practical support. Example: a friend. Imagine a friend who was lost someone close to them. Compassion means doing more than just saying sorry. It could mean spending time with them, giving them a shoulder to cry on, cooking a meal, or helping with daily tasks. These actions show that you truly care. Passion in caring for the environment and others. Compassion also includes how we treat our planet. It's our job to take care of the Earth future generations. Caring for the environment. Being kind to the environment means understanding how our actions affect the planet and trying to reduce that impact. We want the earth to stay and healthy for the future. Example of environments. Compassions. Recycling. Recycling helps reduce waste and save resources. Saving wildlife. Support conservation efforts and participating in activities like planting trees help protect wildlife and preserve biodiversity. Walking instead of driving, choosing to walk, bike or use public transport, transportation reduce pollution and help fight climate change. Caring for others, showing compassion to others means recognizing their needs and doing something to support them. It's about connecting with people and improving their well-being. Example of compassion for others. Volunteering your time to shelter, food banks, or community organizations provide important support where it needed. 2. Kindness. Simple acts of kindness like helping a neighbor or donating clothes make a big difference. Mental health. Being supportive of mental health means checking in on friends and family, offering support, and talking about mental health issues. The role of working together and making a kinder world. Making the world kinder often means working together through something called communal discernment. This involves coming together to make decisions that benefits everyone. Explanation of communal discernment. communal discernment means discussing issues as a group to make decisions that help the whole community. It values everyone input, considers different viewpoints. Example of working together at school or work, collaborating on recycling programs or energy saving measures shows a shared commitment to positive change. In the neighborhood community, projects like garden or food sharing programs help those in need and strengthen community bonds. Worldwide, global cooperation is essential for tackling tackling issues like climate change or health crisis. Working together through agreements or international aid can help solve problems affecting us all. By working together and having open, compassionate discussions, we can make decisions that benefit everyone. This builds stronger, more supportive communities and a kinder world. Closing. In conclusion, compassion means caring deeply for others and the environment and taking meaningful actions to help. By being more compassionate in our daily lives and working together, we can create a kinder, more supported world. Encouragement. Let's try to be more compassionate every day. Small acts of kindness, protecting the environment, and supporting our communities all make a difference. Thanks. Thank you for listening. Let's work together to make the world a kinder place, truth, or compassion, and collective efforts.